To install the FLATenna, first connect one end of coaxial cable to the antenna, then connect the other end of the cable to the ANT-in port at the back of your television, set-top box, or DVR. Use tape to temporarily attach FLATenna to the desired location. Ideal placement is a vertical mount facing the direction of the broadcast towers in your area. If you're not sure of the direction, you can find this information for free online at various websites, including channelmaster.com, on the antenna selection page. The direction is provided in compass heading degrees and found by placing your cursor over the signal icon. The next step is to scan for channels. Ensure your television, set-top box, or DVR is set to scan antenna channels, not cable. In your device's menu screen, it will typically ask if you want to scan antenna, air, broadcast, or cable. You'll need to select the option that says antenna, air, or broadcast. Once your device is set, proceed with the auto channel scan. Once the channel scan is complete, check to make sure all the desired channels are being received. If you think you are missing a channel, or you are unsatisfied with the picture quality, try to move the antenna to a different location and then rescan channels on your device. Repeat these steps as many times as necessary until the desired performance is achieved. If adjusting the antenna's location doesn't work, another way to improve reception with the FLATenna is to pair it with a high-quality amplifier like the Channel Master Amplify or Ultra Mini 1. Adding an amplifier to your FLATenna can increase its range, help it pick up additional channels, and to clear up pixelated ones. Once your desired performance is achieved, permanently attach your antenna using the included adhesive tabs to complete the installation. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.